Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romy, and today I filmed for you guys this rose gold coppery smoky eye with a nude lip. And if you would like to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so for moisturizer, I'm going to take my Tatcha water cream and I'm going to apply this all over my face. I'm just going to really work that into the skin, making sure I press it into my skin, my forehead, and all over my face. For primer, I'm going to take my Hourglass veil. And this, I'm going to only apply it in my T-zone. On my nose, on my chin, everywhere I'm oily because I am combination skin. So the Hourglass veil is more mattifying. So that's why I'm applying it only to my oily areas. I really work that into the skin. And now I'm going to move on to brows because I'm going to be doing eyes first. So, alright, so for brows I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm going to first start by defining the very bottom of my eyebrow. Just going to get the nice defined line. I used to be crazy about eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow and do like the crazy harsh ombre eyebrows, but these days I'm more into a natural brown. And now I'm just going to take the Brow Wiz and do hair-like strokes all throughout my brow in the natural direction in which my hairs are growing. Just going to blend that out with the spoolie, making sure they're nice and blended. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Anastasia Pro Brow Palette. I love this. Is like one of the best investments I've made. If you're into freelance or you do a lot of your friends' makeup, I highly suggest picking this up. And I'm going to take the shade Ebony, the lighter shade, and I'm just going to set my brows. Just going to fill in anywhere else I see any other sparse areas and making sure they're nice and filled in. Now with the spoolie side, I'm just going to go ahead and comb them through and making sure everything's nice and blended. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and I'm going to set them in place. If you're looking for a good eyebrow gel, pick this up. It's like hairspray for your eyebrows. It's so good. Alright, so now I'm going to take my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Ginger and I'm going to clean up my brows with this. And I'm using a Morphe M113 to clean up. Okay, now I'm just going to take that concealer and clean up under my brow. Starting from the inner corner. And I'm using a concealer close to my natural skin tone. Just so it looks nice and natural and not too harsh. So taking that. Brows are done, and now I'm going to move on to eyes, and I'm going to prime my lids with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Shape Tape Concealer. Nicely blended so we have a nice smooth base for eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take my Patrick Star powder to set my lids. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and set that concealer in place with the Patrick Star powder. Okay, for this look, I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. I figured I would do my first tutorial with this palette because everyone has it at this point. So I'm going to be taking this palette to do this look. Okay, so now I'm taking a Morphe M573 in the shade Butter, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease as my transition shade. Okay, now I'm taking a Morphe M441. I'm going to take the shade Buns and apply that to my crease. Morphe M441 again and pick up the shade Buns again and blend out the mocha shade. Now I'm taking my Morphe M573 in the shade Butter again, and I'm going to blend everything together. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to take this Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold Retro, and this is the start of the show. I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Morphe Y20 in the shade Central Park, and I'm going to further define the crease, right along where the edge of the Stila shadow meets the crease. Okay, now I'm taking the M518 again and the shade Buns. I'm going to further blend that out. My Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Before I apply falsies, I'm going to give myself a nice coat of mascara. Now I'm going to be taking my Ardell Faux Mink lashes in the style 811. Alright, and to apply those, I'm going to be using my House of Lashes glue. I got mine at Sephora. They're carrying them now at Sephora, and they recently had them on sale. This is the best glue ever if you honestly want a glue that's going to keep your lashes intact for hours and hours. This is the glue for you. Alright, so now I'm going to take some tweezers, and I let the glue sit for about 30 seconds so it gets nice and tacky. And I'm going to go up and apply the very center first. And then I'm going to go ahead and push down on the very end. And now the very center. Alright, now that both eyes are complete, I'm going to move on to foundation. And for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Dior Skin Forever Foundation in the shade 40. Alright, I'm going to put 2 pumps on a damp beauty blender and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Alright, so now we're going to move on to concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to put it down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the center of my forehead. And I'm also going to put it anywhere else I have redness, so around my nose and by the sides of my mouth. Same damp beauty blender, and I'm going to go ahead and blend all that in. Now I'm going to bake under my eyes, and to do that, I'm going to be using the Patrick Starr MAC powder to bake under my eyes. Let that sit for about 5 minutes. Alright, now I'm going to take my Morphe Y11 and dust that powder off. Alright, so now I'm going to be moving on to bronzer, and I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in the shade Bronze to warm up my skin. Alright, so now that I finished warming up my skin with my Urban Decay bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer to contour. Alright, so now to contour my nose, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in the shade Mocha. To get my skin nice and dewy and ready for highlighter, I'm going to be taking my MAC Fix Plus and spraying this all over my face. Alright, so for highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC Oh Darling highlighter. Alright, and to apply my highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Luxie 640 brush, and I'm going for an overall glow. I'm not going for a very precise, harsh glow just on the cheek, and that's why I'm using this brush. Alright, so now moving back to eyes to finish them up, I'm going to be taking my NYX Kohl eyeliner, and I'm going to tight line right under my lashes. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some on my lash line as well. Alright, so to smoke out my bottom lash line, I'm going to be using this Morphe M169 brush, and I'm first going to take the shade Butter. Alright, so same brush, I'm going to take the shade Buns and apply that right over Butter. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lashes. Alright, so for blush, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Blush Kit, and I'm going to take the shade Coastline on a Sonia Kashuk brush. Alright, and for lips, I'm going to be taking this Tarte Lipstick in the shade Coolada. The completed look. If you like it, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see next. I will definitely be having a Valentine's look coming up maybe Monday or Tuesday. I really want to have it up before Wednesday, obviously. So let me know any suggestions down below, and I will see you guys on my next one.